So we got this old 115 volt electric winch, and I believe the rectifier has gone out. I believe that's what that is. And for those of you that don't know, so your 115 volts comes in through the main cord here, and it goes opposing each other. And from there it turns into 12 volt and comes out of these two. So you don't want to ever hook two wires like two over here and then two over there. They've got to be cat a corner of each other. Not real sure what this is. I'm gonna have to look it up and see what this is. Some of y'all probably already know what that is. Anyway, it all hooks onto a double switch, and it has gone out. So we're going to see what we can do and get back with you in a minute about it. Alright, so we got this thing apart, and it doesn't look very good. It's pretty damn dirty. So I wonder if we get this thing cleaned up, if we can make it work off of 12 volts and just do away with the rectifier. I don't know, but I'm going to give it a whirl, and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I have discovered the little spring that keeps these little brushes in. They go right in there. Is broke. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can build another one out of this. So let me work on that a little bit and I'll be back. Alright, I got the little spring built. It's not, exactly like the other one, but I think it'll work. What do you think? Alright, let's see if we can get this back together. The damn magnet, it's pretty powerful. right, we'll see if it'll work. All right, for the real test, let's see. There we go. And if you reverse the wires, it should go in reverse. And it does. All right, so there we go. We can reinstall the motor without the rectifier and make a 12-volt winch out of it. Or I could order a new rectifier. Or find one off of an old something. Anyway, I believe it'll work. Alright, while we're at it, let's go ahead and get this old switch cleaned up. I took it apart. And these little pieces, they come out. It was pretty dirty. So I just took my Dremel and went down in there and cleaned these up, these little contacts. And these. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back together and be right back. Well, apparently I was wrong. The rectifier seems to be good. I went ahead and I put it all back together. And let's see what happens now. Forward and reverse. That is good news. So we'll go ahead and put it all back together and we should be good to go. All right, I've got it back together. Let's see what happens here. Good deal. All right, we got the winch all back together and got it mounted on the shingle lift. I'm putting a new roof on this house. So we'll go out there and see what it does. Oh, and a good shout out to old Steve Ramirez, my old school buddy. Let's see what happens here. So yeah, I got it mounted up under there. A couple of boards here, piece of sheet metal. Alright. Hey, work smarter, not harder. Y'all come back now, you hear?